How can you leverage direct mail effectively? Last week we talked about the unique benefits of direct mail. Now it's time to talk ideas, so here are some practical ideas. Say you've got an event coming up. Invitations are a great way to use it. You can buy targeted data that will get you in front of an audience that you might struggle to engage with online and send postcards or letters. Then potentially follow up with an email or a phone call, making it multi-channel. Other multi-channel ideas involve adding a QR code or a link to your printed literature. That could send them to an app, a website, a video, some music or a quiz, making it far more interactive and interesting. And finally, make it on demand. Direct mail doesn't have to be about mass mailings. You could send personalised notes around customer milestones, thank you messages or onboarding welcoming messages. Just order the ready to post materials so that you can send a personalised touch that really helps with brand loyalty. Next week we'll be covering how we've used direct mail in our own multi-channel Christmas campaign.